Yo, this is Edo Unboxing Official. I know a lot of people don't know that me and Suprent have come a long way. 4-5 years ago, I unboxed Suprent HC355. That was the first time me and Suprent came to know each other. Okay, then follow up with a Suprent HC596. It was a combo set and full metal body. It was somehow popular that time, I guess got 6,800 RPMs, which was good that time. Since then, me and Suprent stayed in contact. They brought a lot of product out, which I also unboxed. So I want to say shout out to Suprent for all these years, Stay tuned, man. All right. So today, Suprent brought a brand new hair clipper, a combo set, hair clipper and a hair trimmer. I guess this is their best combo set, I have to say so. And the packaging is awesome. So this is the box and it looks like this. It's called a Suprent Fangs, as you can see. So as you can see, this is the box, Suprent Fangs. It's one of its kind. And the back, it's written got 13,000 RPMs, auto intelligent detector, got also a built-in lightning, which is good. Comes with a charging dock, oil, brush, USB cable, USB-C, as you can see, a necklace and some guide combs. This set clipper model number is HC976. And to open, just like this, which is nice, one of its kind. And this is the necklace. It's a golden one. It looks like the clipper also, as you can see. Okay. The hair trimmer comes with 2 charging ports, the normal charging port and a USB-C, which is good. And the back, check all these grooves right here. Okay. And sound check. USB-C.
Şapkanı geçir. Anladın mı? Zaten saçın gözünü ben hemen gelip tarafını ver.
Tamam, senin sana bir yarım saattir ayakta yürüyüşte boşalmam mı? Yarım saat boşalırsa bir de seni çıkarırım. Akşam gidelim muamele şeyleri alırım. Anladın mı?
Eğer senin işin erken biterse arabaya bir gider.
Zaten biz.
Hemen
Ama benim işim
sana
olacak.
taşır. Ha?
Benim işim olacak. O sıkıntı var.
İkimizden biri, benim iki arkadaş. Onun için ondan önce sıkıntılı bir çocuk var dokunmuşta.
Ama benim olacak. Orada sistem bir şey falan.
Onun için bir şey
Beyin senin kadar. Şunu beyin geldi.
beyin o şeye götürdü, şunu götürdü. Bunları sonra da
Super, auch alles Ding arbeitet. Total.
Şansı şu. Burada bir şansı değil şansı. Hafif okun.
Ja.
Ich weiß nicht, ich komme dann später rein, ich schau. Ja, ja, genau so machen wir das, ja.
Das Leben ist
sensin. Bak bravo da geldi. He? Bak bravo da geldi.
So that's it for the unboxing of this Suprent Fangs, and peace, man.